Hello, my name's Hader. I'm an instructor at Forklift Training. I will safely demonstrate how to deposit a load back at ground level. So moving off, we're going to follow the correct procedure to move off. So it's gear, observation, making sure that there's nobody in the vicinity of the truck, releasing the handbrake and moving off nice and slowly. So keeping the speed nice and slow so that the truck is in my control. Going to be looking in the direction of travel at all times. Looking for any oncoming traffic or any other FLT drivers or pedestrians. Once I've approached my marked designated area, I will then apply my handbrake to secure the truck and disengage my transmission, whereby putting it into neutral. I will then level the pallet, making sure I take my tilt off to make it nice and straight, ensuring that my mast is nice and vertical. Once I've ensured that it's nice and level and the mast is nice and vertical, I will then lower it gently onto the ground. And as I can't see my forks, I will then try to level them into the middle of the pallet so that I can have a clean entry out of the pallet. Once I've ensured I've got a nice clean entry out, I will then follow the correct moving off procedure, which is gear, observation, handbrake. Observation one more time to make sure that there's nobody in the vicinity of the truck. I will then turn myself in the seat again to look in the direction of travel as I reverse out. Now as I reverse out nice and slowly, I will then gently apply pressure to my brake, have a glance forward, looking at my forks, making sure that they are nice and clear. I will then, same thing again, I will just look in the direction of travel. Apply my brake again, once again, just to look at my forks. And then I will continue going. Once I've exited the pallet, I will then apply my handbrake, neutral, and put myself into the correct traveling position. So I'm applying a slight tilt, and I will just go back to my start point. Gear, observation, handbrake, turning in the seat once again, looking in the direction of travel, and going back to my start point. Once at my start point, I will then apply foot brake, handbrake, and neutral to secure the truck. Thank you.